Ever wondered why running an affiliate business can sometimes feel like navigating through a dense jungle without a map? It's no secret that affiliate marketing offers a world of possibilities. Yet, it can be a winding path filled with challenges. And one of the first hurdles to overcome? Finding the right products. You need products that not only resonate with your audience, but also offer a good commission. It's like hunting for a needle in a haystack, a task that can leave you feeling lost and frustrated. Then comes the daunting task of setting up a system. You need a website, a sales funnel, and an email marketing strategy, to name a few. It's like trying to assemble a puzzle without knowing what the final picture looks like. You're left feeling overwhelmed, wondering if you've bitten off more than you can chew. And can we talk about traffic for a moment? It's the lifeblood of any affiliate business. But attracting the right audience is like trying to catch fish in a vast ocean. You cast your net wide, hoping to catch a few, but it's not always a guaranteed success. Moreover, staying updated with the latest trends is another uphill battle. The world of affiliate marketing is ever evolving, with new strategies emerging every day. It's like trying to keep up with a fast-moving train, and falling behind can mean missing out on potential opportunities. What if I told you there's a solution to these struggles? A comprehensive platform that simplifies these tasks, turning the dense jungle into a well-marked path. A platform created by a seasoned affiliate marketer who has navigated this jungle for over 18 years and has now laid out a map for others to follow. This platform could be the game changer you've been looking for, a beacon of light guiding you through the dense forest of affiliate marketing. It's a platform that not only provides the right tools, but also offers guidance and a community of like-minded individuals all on the same journey. What if there is a platform that could turn this jungle into a well-marked path? Intriguing, right? Introducing a comprehensive platform for running your affiliate business, created by Vic Stricius, a seasoned affiliate marketer with over 18 years of experience. Vic Stricius, our founder, is no stranger to the affiliate marketing world. His vast knowledge and experience have been poured into creating this all-encompassing platform. Our solution comes packed with a treasure trove of resources tailored to support your affiliate business. From a vast array of products to insightful how-to videos, we've got you covered. Need guidance? Our webinars are here to help, providing you with the knowledge you need to conquer the affiliate marketing landscape. But that's not all. The platform also offers the unique opportunity to add your programs, opening doors for collaboration with other companies. This feature not only broadens your horizons, but also introduces potential additional revenue streams. Ready to dive deeper into this treasure trove? Hang on tight, starting with the first 3 modules of our 10-module setup process. Let's dive into the specifics, shall we? The first module is like a warm welcome to your new affiliate business system. It's here that you'll get a comprehensive overview of the platform created by Vic Stricius, a seasoned affiliate marketer with over 18 years of experience. You'll learn about the products, how-to videos, and webinars that will guide you on this journey. It's like having a roadmap for success at your fingertips. Moving on to the second module, it's all about setting up your business. This module takes you through the step-by-step process of adding your programs and collaborating with other companies. And let's not forget about the additional revenue streams these collaborations will offer you. It's like having a business partner who's always there to help you grow. But that's not all. The third module takes you deeper into the world of affiliate marketing. It's here that you'll learn about the hub-building software, eStage. This software is designed to help you create funnels and sites that will attract and engage your target audience. It's like having a master builder working with you to create a city of opportunities. Each module is designed to provide you with a clear understanding of the system and how it works. It's like having a mentor guiding you every step of the way. And the best part is, these modules are just the beginning. Imagine a 10-step staircase, and we've only ascended the first 3 steps. There's a lot more to this platform that's waiting to be discovered. More modules, more tools, more strategies, and more opportunities for growth and success. So are you ready to take the next step? Are you ready to explore the rest of the staircase? that's just the beginning. There's more to explore, continuing our journey with the next 3 modules. Let's delve into the 4th module, which is all about adding your own affiliate programs. This feature allows you to integrate your existing programs into the platform, creating a centralized hub for your affiliate marketing. The key benefit here is the ability to manage your programs effortlessly, all in one place. Moving on to the 5th module, we find ourselves exploring the possibilities of collaboration. This feature enables you to partner with other companies, opening up opportunities for additional revenue streams. Imagine the power of synergy, where your profit potential is magnified through strategic alliances. The beauty is, you're not just selling products or services anymore. You're building partnerships, and these partnerships could lead to more fruitful ventures down the line. Next, we have the 6th module. This one is quite exciting because it introduces a native social media platform designed specifically for community building. This isn't just any social media platform. It's a space where like-minded marketers can connect, share insights, and grow together. The value of a strong community in affiliate marketing cannot be underestimated. It's where ideas are birthed, strategies are honed, and successes are celebrated. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the holistic approach of these modules. The 4th module brings your affiliate programs under one roof. The 5th module expands your horizon by encouraging collaborations. And the 6th module fosters a community of passionate marketers. Together, they form a potent blend of features that not only streamline your affiliate marketing efforts, but also amplify your earning potential. Still with us? Great. Let's move on to the final stretch. Welcome to the final part of our 10-module setup process. We've come a long way, and now it's time to delve into the last 4 modules that will help you unlock the full potential of your affiliate business. Module 7 is all about collaboration. Here you have the option to add your own programs and establish partnerships with other companies. This not only diversifies your offerings, but also opens up additional revenue streams. It's like opening a door to a room full of opportunities waiting to be seized. Next, in Module 8, we introduce our native social media platform. This is not just any social media platform, it's a community builder. It's a space where like-minded entrepreneurs can connect, share ideas, and inspire each other. It's a place where you can find your tribe and grow together. Module 9 introduces you to our unique hub-building software, eStage. This is where you create your funnels and sites. With eStage, you have all the tools you need to design a user-friendly and engaging online presence. Remember, your website is your business's digital storefront, and eStage helps you make it as inviting and efficient as possible. Finally, in Module 10, we discuss the importance of staying updated. The world of affiliate marketing is dynamic, and to keep up, you need to be on your toes. That's why we offer live meetings with Vic Strichos, our founder and a seasoned affiliate marketer with over 18 years of experience. These meetings will keep you in the loop with the latest news, tactics, and strategies in affiliate marketing. And that's how you set up your affiliate business on our platform. Simple, right? Now, let's talk about building a community and creating funnels. In the digital marketing sphere, community building is a cornerstone of success. It's about fostering relationships and creating a space where people can connect, share ideas, and grow together. Our platform brings this vital element to the table with a native social media feature. Think of it as your own private Facebook, a place where like-minded individuals congregate, collaborate, and contribute to the overall growth of the community. It's not just about networking, it's about building a vibrant, active, and engaged community that thrives on mutual support and shared success. But that's not all. A crucial part of affiliate marketing is funnel creation. You might be wondering, what exactly is a funnel? Well, in simple terms, a funnel is a step-by-step process that directs your potential customers towards a buying decision. It's like a path that leads them from being interested in what you offer all the way to making a purchase. This is where our hub-building software, eStage, comes into play. eStage is more than just a software. It's a tool that empowers you to create effective and efficient funnels. With eStage, you can design your own websites and landing pages, customize your content, and optimize your funnels for conversions. It's about taking control of your business and shaping it to your vision. Imagine having a tool that not only allows you to create your own funnels, but also helps you analyze and improve them. With eStage, you can monitor how your funnels are performing, identify areas that need improvement, and make necessary changes for better results. It's about continuous growth and improvement. In essence, our platform offers you a comprehensive toolset for community building and funnel creation. It's about equipping you with the resources, tools, and support you need to thrive in the ever-evolving world of affiliate marketing. But wait, there's more to this platform than just setting up and running your business. In the world of affiliate marketing, staying up to date is key to success. Now, let's talk about how our platform caters to that very principle. We understand that the digital landscape is always shifting, and to stay relevant, you need to keep pace. Our platform is built with an evolutionary approach. It's not static, it's dynamic. We're constantly tweaking, refining, and adding new features based on emerging trends and user feedback. This ensures that you're always equipped with the latest tools and strategies to maximize your affiliate business's potential. But it doesn't stop there. We also offer upgrades for added benefits. Take, for instance, the Affiliate Syndicate and Super VIP. These are premium options designed to elevate your affiliate marketing game. They provide you with advanced features and exclusive insights that can give you an edge in this competitive field. Another critical aspect of ensuring ongoing success is staying informed. To facilitate this, we conduct live meetings with Vic Stricius, the seasoned affiliate marketer who created this platform. These meetings are a treasure trove of information where Vic shares the latest news, tactics, and strategies. It's like sitting down with a mentor who has over 18 years of experience in the field. And let's not forget about traffic co-ops. In affiliate marketing, attracting the right audience is half the battle won. Our platform provides traffic co-ops designed to bring targeted traffic and engage potential leads. This way, you're not just shooting in the dark, you're making informed decisions to attract and engage your ideal audience. In summary, our platform is more than just a tool. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that evolves with the market trends and your needs. It's about ensuring that you're not just surviving in the world of affiliate marketing, but thriving. With our platform, you're always in the loop and ahead of the curve. So, are you ready to elevate your affiliate business to new heights? As we draw the curtain on this enlightening journey, let's take a moment to recap the key features and benefits of this all-encompassing platform. This is more than just a tool. It's a comprehensive system that has been expertly crafted over 18 years by Vic Stricius, a seasoned affiliate marketer. The platform offers a 10-module step-by-step setup process designed to guide you through the intricacies of setting up your affiliate business. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a flexible system that allows you to add your programs and collaborate with other companies. These collaborations can open up additional revenue streams, expanding your earning potential. But it's not just about making money. This platform also focuses on building a robust community through its native social media platform. Connect with like-minded individuals, share ideas, and grow together. It's all about fostering a sense of community and shared success. On top of that, there's eStage, the hub-building software for creating funnels and sites. This is your canvas to paint your vision, your platform to share your message. It's simple to use, yet powerful enough to make a significant impact. Remember, this is a constantly evolving system. It grows with you, adapting to the ever-changing landscape of affiliate marketing. And for those who crave more, upgrades like the Affiliate Syndicate and Super VIP are waiting in the wings, offering even more benefits. And let's not forget about the traffic co-ops, providing targeted traffic and lead engagement. Plus, there are live meetings with Vic himself, keeping you up to date on the latest news and tactics. This is a platform that supports you every step of the way. Don't just take our word for it. Try the platform today and see the difference it can make in your affiliate business. Take the leap. The path is clear.